Hey guys, I wanted to talk about the number one business to start, no hype. First of all, who am I? My name is Joe. I made over $1 million profit online, especially with Instagram and sales funnel. And I own a very successful business that is making around between 50 to 100,000 per month. And that's not like an online store, that is my cash flow business. So we got a big profit margin. And me and my business partner, we've been living off this online business since years, and we are now also investors and trader, all of that. So what is this big cold? Well guys, we're in Canada, it's cold, and my little kitty always want to go out, so I will always gotta have door out to let her go out. I'm kidding, kind of. But I wanted to tell you literally the number one online business to start, and I'm gonna give you some example, I'm gonna give you some idea, and I'm also, if you stay until the end, I'm gonna give you some templates that you can use, like some script and some sales page template that you can use, and to a kind of website funnel. And I will talk about that because I always get a lot of people that want to grow their Instagram account, that want help, blah blah blah, right? Because I help people do that. I've been very successful on Instagram, and I always get the same thing. So let me just pull out my computer real quick so I can pull out my Calendly and we can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so we have basically a lot of people that are booking phone call with me, and I have a question over here that is basically asking what is their business, right? So the first question are like, what is your name, what is your email, then cool, what's your website funnel URL, right? If you have no website, just type in the website. So when it starts by someone that is typing the website, it doesn't start well if you don't have a website, if you don't have a funnel, if you never invested in that. It's $97 per month to get a ClickFunnels account. You can get a 14-day free trial. I'm not promoting that. I'm not even an affiliate. I've been using it since 2015. I love it, but I don't really make my money promoting that. Now, if you cannot invest that, at the very least, you can get a super cheap like domain and kind of WordPress or website builder, very cheap, right? Like Wix or something. Now, I'm asking, please tell me a little bit about your business. For example, what do you sell? What market do you serve? What do you charge? And what is your main offer? So basically, I just added now, please be precise as possible or call will be canceled. But before I didn't add that, and I was basically getting a bunch of people that would literally writing like no funnel, no website. All those questions like, tell me about your business, what do you sell, what market do you serve, what charge, they would write like nothing, or I want to make money, or I want to grow my Instagram, or stuff like that, or a little bit better, right? I'm an entrepreneur, and I don't want to, this is the part of the video where I'm going to get a bunch of dislike and people are going to drop off, but guys, I want to help, and I basically don't want to cancel your party, guys, but being an entrepreneur is not a business, right? And being an entrepreneur itself, if you just say that, that's not even being an entrepreneur. It's like the big 𝐑𝐢𝐜𝐡 thing, right? That is saying, look, putting entrepreneur in your Instagram bio doesn't make you an entrepreneur, guys. I don't want to be mean, but that is so true. And yeah. So when you say I'm an entrepreneur, that doesn't mean nothing, guys. So now let me tell you which type of business you should start. So obviously, like the number one business that you should start, but you would not be watching this video if you would basically do that, is going by your passion, right? Going by like the number one thing that you know that you got a good mix of being good and loving doing, right? Not being great necessarily, being good at something at least. Now, if you're great, that's even better. If you had a lot of skills, that's even better, right? Now, if you have zero idea, which is probably why you're watching this video, then here's the moment you've been waiting for. So you can put like in the comment, but I'll probably have a chapter. Then you should start a marketing agency, a social media marketing agency, a SMMA, social media marketing agency. Now, wait a second. Before you drop off, there's 15 type, or I will give you 15 type of different social media marketing agency, in not 15 different niche, 15 different type, right? Because you always think that SMMA is like either running ad on Facebook, Instagram, maybe a YouTube SMMA, maybe a Instagram SMMA, right? Creating content or a social media content, or maybe some SEO, but that's not that. You can do a video marketing SMMA, right? You can do a chatbot SMMA. You can do a pay-per-click SMMA. You can do a SEO SMMA. You can do a funnel SMMA. You can do, a lot of stuff. I'm gonna give you 15 great examples of idea. So that should be in the link in the bio. If you like this video, drop a like. I got other video dropping soon. It should be here, okay? If it's not here, then you need to turn on your notification, because real quick, about every 2-3 days, I'm gonna drop a video, and the next videos is 5 tips, actually 5 hacks to blow up your Instagram account, grow. And that is real. That is not using bots. That is not buying follower. That is not spending thousands on ad. Obviously that will help. But I mean 5 strategies you can start doing right now. 3 or 4 out of them is completely free, and 1 or 2 out of them can cost money. So drop a like, subscribe, share that with your friend, and also we're not just gonna give you 5 tips. I'm not just gonna give you 5 tips to grow your Instagram engagement. Also, I'm gonna show you how to make a giveaway the right way. I did a small giveaway, right? If you don't have a big budget, where you can get a bunch of engagement, start having engagement on an account. And third video that I'm gonna do all today, guys, so it should be dropped real soon. Turn on your notification, is basically what are the main things that you need to be looking for in 2021 for Instagram. There's basically 2 or 3 things that you need to focus, and if you just do that, you will for sure grow your engagement, blow up, start having fans, and even monetize and make a bunch of money. So peace out from Canada.